Run, guys. There. Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. It's our day 4 here in Thailand, and we have just checked out of our accommodation here in Pattaya because we're going back to Bangkok. It's now 8 a.m. Yeah, 8 a.m. So guys, if you haven't watched our previous vlogs, please watch our day 1 to day 3 because this is day 4. Guys, we are going back to Bangkok and then we will go to Wawa House Cafe.
It's the shooting
Location of the Loyal Pin, Gap the series, and other
many more series. Thai series.
Yes. So, Kuyogi me, guys. We're just waiting for Jaire.
See you later, Yen and Pax.
Yeah, and our friends Yen and Pax will
already here in Thailand.
Will be joining us for today.
Later.
So this is our accommodation, guys. Soy 5 apartment. You can find them at trip.com. You can book them through trip.com. Then kana kay ang beach na.
Beachfront.
Yeah, so it's like a 2 to 3 minute walk to the beach. There. Beach na siya. We're going back to Bangkok na. So magpagas me first and then have some coffee. It's still 8 a.m. So mo go straight na mi dito sa Wawa House Cafe. Mo to ang filming location sa Loyal Pin. And after kay mag-meet up na misa amo ang mga friends. So hopefully mga 2 hours or 2.5 hour nga drive maabot na ta dito sa Wawa Cafe. And then mag-check-in sa misa amo ang hotel. It's Bangkok City Hotel near Ratchathani Station. So doon na kayo siya, guys, sa BTS station because the last time we stayed at 4M Pratunam, medyo layo siya. Maglakaw pa mig mga 15 minutes. Oo. So this time we made sure nga doon na lang gid kaayo siya sa BTS station. So guys, naghapit lang sa amin diri sa ilang 7-Eleven. Okay, for our breakfast. Ipakita 'yan. So, nag-sandwich lang mi. Ham and cheese. And then si Chok Chok ay nag-buy lang og coffee from Amazon. Para diretso na mi. Para diretso na mi sa Wawa. Guys, it's been 2 hours. We are 1.5 hour. We are already in Bangkok. Pero traffic na kayo diri. Expected yun, guys, nga if naana ta sa within the city kay traffic yun kayo bisag na namin sa expressway. So according to Google Maps, mga 40 minutes maabot na ta dito sa Wawa. So hopefully mga by 1 or 2 p.m. makabalik na mi sa Bangkok for check-in. Yeah. So guys, we will have our lunch here before proceeding to Wawa. Okay, mag-order na lang guro mi og drinks dito. It's already 11:30. Wow, init kay mi mo adto. So, chili, garlic, powder, may peanut. Our food is here, guys. Ng pork siya. Bonggang rice. It's only 50 baht each. You're here at Wawa House.
I can feel the loyalty.
But we have to park sa pig.
Oh, Wawa House. Park sa amin diri, guys. So, this is Wawa House. Mayroon siyang iconic na balay. Chok, kung saan nag-ibisulat, Chok? Wawa House. guys, we're ordering first here. Nice guy. This is their cafe.
Sige, magkuhan lang ko
So guys, ang Wawa House kay cafe dayo siya. So you need to order first before makaadto dito sa katong house, cute iconic na house. Actually, naragit siya actually dira sa
bridge.
yeah.
Pero makita
So mag pictorial, mag pictorial mi dira later. Nag-order sa mi diri og drinks. Pink meal, 100 baht. This is it, guys. This is the filming location for the Loyal Pin. Gani. This was also used in Gap the series. Ang house ni Grandma. This is it. This is the bridge.
Sa TV ra ko ni makitaan karon na anak ko diri.
Yes, this is the Sawit-Hawarit Palace. You can only access until here. Diri kay close na. And if makita na ninyo guys, kana nan. Dira si Free nag-emote. Okay.
Asa ta mo sayo? Diri na lang guro na tay butang.
We're done. We're done here sa Wawa House. Okay guys, this is their cafe. We're done. Now we are going to pick up our friend, si Pax. Okay, mag-check-in kami sa hotel. Guys, this is our accommodation for the next 4 days. Bangkok City Hotel. So, this one. This room is good for 2. So, 2 separate beds. Then, you have this cabinet. Uy, may free sleepers. Tapos hanger. And then, mo ni guys, ang CR. Ang toilet. Na siya'y bathtub. Then, yes. This is it. Na-vault, guys. Then, mini fridge.
Wala lang siya, layo lang yung charity.
Night TV. Tapos may pa-free sila nga
Layo yung
coffee.
charger yan.
Asa?
Charger yung.
Uy. And then, we are here sa 16th floor. Mo niyang makita, guys. Nga view from our hotel.
Smoking yan, nakatapad.
So, separate me og rooms, guys. Ang sa Pikas kay silang yen. Good for 3 po to ang room. Pero, sadly, duhara sila ang na dayon o ganhi diri sa Bangkok. I'm gonna show you their room pod. So, I'm just gonna put pila ang amuang na pay. Pero sa Agoda naman na siya nabukin. Hindi mo putag pila.
Yeah, kung sa username.
And then this hotel is very near sa Ratchathani na BTS station. This is their good for 3 na room, family room. So isa siya ka big na bed and then a smaller one there. Nako po siya, guys. Then they have a free coffee. Bongga. Sila yung coffee maker. Then, may table, may TV. Same sa mga may ref pod. Again guys, this is Bangkok City Hotel near Ratchathewi BTS station. You can find them sa booking.com, you can find them sa Agoda. Yeah, you book this hotel through Agoda. So guys, it's now 3:20. We're going to Taladnoy. It's near Chinatown. Kay moadto mi og Hong Xieng Kong Cafe. So medyo sikat po na siya nga cafe guys, and then dito mi mag sunset. Later si Yen kay mo join na sa amua. So again guys, it's Bangkok City Hotel. This is the hotel. So this is in Ratchathewi. Then this is their lobby. Very nice. And then just a 4-minute walk from here is the Ratchathewi BTS station. Very, very accessible. Guys, we're finally here at Hong Xieng Kong here in Taladnoy. Doon na rin siya og Chinatown. And this area here has a lot of spots nga na ay river view. So there may mag-spend sa amo ang sunset. This is it. So opening time is from Tuesday to Sunday. Mo na ni. Tuga nagtao eh. Oh. Hong Xieng Kong. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Sawadika.
Fish order first before going inside.
Okay.
Two people?
Three.
Okay. You check menu.
Kapong ka. So guys, we have to order first before going inside the cafe. And there are lots of tourists today. Look down. It says please at least one order per person. Let's go here. Outdoor. Kainit. So this is their outdoor area. And mo gini siya guys ang inaapa sa mga tao kani siya nga view, the river view. This is the Chao Phraya River. Then this one guys, mo nang Icon Siam. Yeah, you can see Icon Siam. Dala. This is still a part of Hong Xieng Kong. Asa? Guys, it's now 4:30 pero init pa kayo diri. Better to come here siguro mga 5 para din na kayo sa init.
Pero better yan po mo magsayo mo.
But then okay po mag-early kay basta yung dating ng tao. You ordered some pika-pika. Yen is here. The tita. We're here in Chinatown. Seems to be a temple. So you're going to Chinatown for our dinner. Guys, I can already see lots of places na open. This one right here. Oh, what's this? I love Yorat. This right here. This is the livelier spot right here. Start na ang singot. Saan mo ginapicturean, guys? There. Busy, busy Chinatown. So this area right here gets busier at night because that's the time na daghan na kayo of tourists. Dili na kayo sa init. These buns. Yeah, mao niya mo. Kanang
Ay, katuntang isa.
oo. Chai. Bun siya ba nga? Pan siya nga naman condense. What's this?
Ano, daghang tao.
Mao gani na siya pila.
Okay raman good.
Pila na lang. Kung asa na may pila, dira tayong pila. We got in line here, guys. It's, I don't know the name.
Ito din.
YX Pro Noodle.
Mine is this one.
Oh.
May kanila ako ang pork and trail.
So, ako ay ngani po diyam. Nya mo try kong isa niyam. Kani ba? Wala man siya blood. Kani man ang nay blood. Ang isa. Guys, choose your ano.
Choose your weapon.
Yes. So, daghan kay tao diri guys. So. We just waited around 5 minutes. We're inside. Ah, no. Gibit-bit. Kapag ka. Gibit-bit. Wow. Hindi ka kay ikaw, mother. Waiting for our food. So this place is a Michelin Guide 2018. Here's our food. This one is with blood. Guys, it's now 7:30 and we're done with our dinner dito sa noodle house or noodle shop. Now we are exploring again. So daghan diri sa Chinatown, guys, kay mga stalls ra siya sa kilid sa dalan. Meron lami. Ang amo din gikanan ganiha, guys, is a Michelin Guide restaurant.
May tinuod yun na usag yun ka.
Crab? Oo, anak gid ba?
Shrimp na to ah.
Here we have durian. Mahal na. Mahal na. 1,050. Hey guys, we're back here sa hotel. So, ang last stop na mo kay ang Yaowarat sa Chinatown. We had our dinner there. This is our view. We are here sa 16th floor.
16th floor.
Look at that. City view. So tomorrow guys, kay early na pud me, we are going to Onlokyun for breakfast.
It's a famous breakfast place.
Yeah. So it's our day 4 here today guys. Don't forget to watch our day 1 to day 3. So I'll put the videos on the description below. Yes, good night guys from Bangkok. Bye.